Unsolicited phone calls and messages can be extremely annoying and for many smartphone users, even stressful. Apple offers several features in iOS, allowing users to block nuisance calls and messages from the same number repeatedly reaching their phone. Whether you're constantly receiving messages from an international number at midnight or trying to avoid someone in your contacts, you're at the perfect spot. GadInsider's compiled a step-by-step guide on how to block nuisance calls and messages on your iPhone. Here's how to block a recent caller on an iPhone. Firstly, launch the phone app and click Recent. Now browse the number that you need to block in the All or Missed Calls list. Click on the information icon and scroll down the caller ID screen and click on Block Caller. Here's how to block a number that keeps messaging you. Firstly, launch the Messages app and then head to the main messages list. Now click on a message received from the number you want to block. Click the chevron next to the number at the top of the display and now click on the Info button. Scroll down the caller ID screen and click Block Caller. Here's how to manage blocked contacts on iPhone. Follow these steps to add or remove a contact from your block list of numbers. Firstly, launch the Settings app, scroll down and click on Apps. Now choose Phone and click on Blocked Contacts. If you want to remove any contact from your block list, then click Edit in the top right corner of your display. Click on the red minus button that's available next to the contacts you need to remove, and then click on Done. If any users want to add a contact to your block list, click Add and choose a contact from your contact list.